Hi, this is Enrique with Enrique's Homebuyer Channel. Today we are going to talk about mortgage insurance. What is it? How does it work? And do I need it? Check it out. All right, welcome back. So we're going to be talking about a topic that is very, very common when it comes to questions when people are buying a home, especially people who are buying their first home. Why is that? Well, the topic we're going to talk about today is mortgage insurance. The reason why this is common to talk about is because if you are a first-time buyer, you're buying your first home, chances are you're not putting a full 20% down payment. Now, a lot of you are, but if you're not putting a full 20% down payment, you're going to be required in most cases to get mortgage insurance. If you're purchasing a home with FHA financing, you're going to have mortgage insurance. If you're getting a home with USDA, you're also going to have mortgage insurance. So what is it? Well, let's break it down. The first thing you need to understand is that banks are interested in lending you money, but they don't want to lose money. They don't want to be at risk. So they love when you put 20%. Why is that? If you put 20% down payment, in their mind, they feel better because they know that chances are you're not going to walk away from that house or let it go into foreclosure because you have a lot of money tied down. So if you're buying a home for $400,000, and you're putting 80,000 down, chances are you're going to keep it. Right? You're not going to default. Now, many of you are not going to default anyway, but the bank considers that a riskier loan. So if you're only putting 5% or 10% or less than 20, chances are they're going to require mortgage insurance. Most loans do. Now, there's a few exceptions, but in most cases, you're going to have to pay mortgage insurance. So is that a mortgage insurance that you go out and purchase from an insurance company? Not really. Mortgage insurance is actually issued by mortgage insurance companies, and the bank will typically order it in your behalf. Your mortgage person will tell you how much you pay per month. It's attached to your payment, and it goes for the life of the loan or for 5 years or for 10 years, depending on the type of loan. So there's really not an opportunity for you to really shop around for that mortgage insurance. Now, from one company to the next, the difference is very, very small. So I think you're going to be okay. Now, how much is mortgage insurance? Well, it depends on the quality of your file. For example, if you're putting only 5% and you have low credit, you're going to pay a higher rate than if you have 15% down in higher credit. They take a lot of things into account: the debt ratio, the credit score, how much down payment, if it's a home or if it's a condo. So there really is no clear answer that I can tell you this is what you're going to pay. Now, FHA is a different story. FHA has a set amount that you pay. Part of it is built into the loan where you pay monthly, and part of it is paid up front and financed into the loan. And FHA stays with the loan as long as you have it. In order for you to get out of mortgage insurance, if you have an FHA loan, you're going to have to refinance into a different type of loan. If you have a conventional financing and several years go by and you haven't had any late payments and you have 20% equity, you can petition the bank to remove it and they'll walk you through that process. So it is possible to remove the mortgage insurance if you have a conventional financing. So as you can see, this is not an easy subject. It can be a little complicated. We would love to walk you through that process. If you see that someone's quoting you mortgage insurance, don't be scared. Don't freak out. Just try to understand how it is and ask questions, right? That's what we do. We answer questions and we educate people to make sure they understand what mortgage insurance is, how much it's going to cost, and how long they have to have it. So if you have any questions, reach out to us, comment below, or go check out our other videos. We have tons of educational material that I think you will enjoy. This is Enrique with Mortgage School. My information is there. Have a great day.